Day 15 of the KNO project, KNO enters a new session. Yesterday, KNO closed in the noise zone, no major adaptation. Here are KNO's modules, each with its own strategy, capital, and parameters. Today, KNO generated plus $6,567.54 on 82 signals, 30 winning trades, 52 losing, a win rate of 37%, best move 7JV BEO, plus $65,857.51, plus 4 Ep.015 return. Today's breakout, our bot macro, plus $3, win rate of 57% on the session. Its star trade, Solus DT, delivered plus $2.71, plus 4%. On the other side, our bot the turtle collapses to minus $8, weighed down by MUSHU, $7.70. KNO reallocates its attention toward our bot macro. Per module breakdown, each bot is an embodied hypothesis. First, our bot macro, swing trading on multi-time frame confirmed macro signals, performed at plus $2.90 over 23 trades, win rate 57%. Second, our bot Epicurus, Epicurean philosopher, dining philosophers coordination, ataraxia on moderate setups, performed at plus $2.86 over 163 trades, win rate 47%. Third, our bot Hydra, multi-head signal ensemble, one thesis per market regime, performed at plus $1.42 over 65 trades, win rate 45%. Fourth, our bot the fish, fishing for small catches, tiny position size, high selectivity, suffered at $0.02 over 1 trades, win rate 0%. Finally, our bot the snowman, snowball compounding, position grows with each win, melts after each loss, suffered at $0.79 over 232 trades, win rate 42%. Strategy diversity is our laboratory. KNO observes which one generates a persistent edge and reallocates capital accordingly. The top trade in detail. Our bot V3 entered 7JV BEO at, after detecting multi-signal confluence, exit at plus 488.05237%, or 0.0 times the initial risk. Net profit plus $6,508.51. Clean setup, clean execution. Not a home run, but exactly the type of trade expected in a selective regime. How KNO decides in depth. Layer 1, entry filters, minimum 3 out of 5 signals confluence, momentum, volume, price structure, on-chain signals, and social sentiment. Minimum liquidity $25,000 in the pool, otherwise slippage kills the edge. Momentum window 5 to 15 minutes, long enough to confirm, short enough not to miss the move. Layer 2, position management. Fixed sizing at 1% of capital per trade, strict stop loss at minus 5%, tiered take profits 25% at plus 10, 25% at plus 25, the rest left to run with a trailing stop. Layer 3, learning. Each trade is logged with its full context, no discretionary decisions. Everything is coded, measured, and reviewed every week. The arc of the last 7 days, out of 7 logged sessions, KNO closes at plus $6,587.15 cumulative dollars. 4 green days, 3 red days. Bullish trend confirmed over the week. The edge persists. Consistency is setting in. Every episode is a data point on the curve. And the curve is what matters. KNO learned a costly lesson, its liquidity filter on our bot. The turtle lets false signals through. Recalibration planned. The risks to watch tomorrow. First risk, fake breakouts in low volume. The crypto market chains traps. KNO must validate liquidity before every entry. Second risk, hidden correlation between modules. If all our bots trade the same coins at the same time, we lose diversification. Third risk, execution latency. On memecoins, a few seconds can turn a winning trade into a losing one. KNO measures exit to confirmation latency every day. Project stats. The detailed plan for episode 16. First, overnight recalibration of thresholds based on today's results. Marginal adjustment, no brutal pivot. Second, the turtle under strict surveillance. If losses continue, technical pause for deep analysis. Third, testing timing hypothesis. Entering 30 seconds earlier on very high conviction setups to capture the slope before the confirmed breakout. Risk, false signals, reward, better entry prices. Fourth, intermodule correlation monitoring. Goal. 0 coins traded simultaneously by more than 2 bots. Open question for you. If you were to add a 5th filter to KNO's entry layer, what would you propose? Comment below. The best idea will be tested in episode 17. An experiment powered by KNO Innovation, AI consulting and innovation for ambitious companies. KNO is finding its rhythm. What strategy should we test next? Comment your ideas. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's episode. Thank you for sharing this adventure with us. Your comments truly feed KNO. Every idea counts. Same time tomorrow.